Hello, clever cubs. Let's see how clever you are. Can you solve this simple math question? But first, don't forget to subscribe to Clever Cubs. Here are two apples. Add one more apple. How many apples do you see? Yes, three apples. Well done. Three puppies are playing. Add one more puppy. How many puppies now? Yes, four puppies. There are three cars. Add two more cars. How many cars do you see? Five cars. Well done. Yummy yummy two ice creams. Add two more. How many now? Yes, four.
Yummy, yummy.
Six stars are shining. Add one more star. How many stars are there? Seven stars. Well done. Well done, Clever Cat. You are amazing at addition. Clap your hands.
Hip hip
Hooray!
hooray!
But don't forget to subscribe to Clever Cats for more fun.